Mugaru na meciria maingi aria makoretwo makiuga thirikari ni igondereire haro-ini ya ungumania, munene wa uruti wira wa muingi FELIX KOSKEI nieranĩire wirutiri wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza kuhukia ndamathia ĩno na kugitira indo cia muingi. KOSKEI augite aria othe manyitikanite na mahitia ma ungumania ni matacukeirio makinya ma kiwatho na haro ĩno ni gwakiriria ona makiria niguo kugacirithia uthii wa na mbere wa bururi na uguo aici na turia nime matikuheo mweke.
We need to be very careful and be alert that the people of Kenya demands that the taxes they are paying have to go to the intended purposes, and it has to be as I said. There is no shortcut about it, and there is no excuse by anyone. And simply put, corruption is theft. So anybody who steals the money is like any other criminal, and we are going to go for them.
Niongereire kuuga ekwirwo kihiria ungumania ari ni hamwe na maabitha nene thirikari-ini ni marikitie guikio ngono na gukinya igoti-ini, no thirikari irarumirira watho na mitaratara mugaru na thirikari cia hau kabere kuria ekwirwo manikagwo king'ang'a-ini hatari kihariro.
We don't want to be pedestrian people who wants to, to embarrass people who perhaps later on they turn to be innocent. So we are following the law, and the institutions that are responsible for investigations, prosecutions are doing their work professionally. And that is how we are. Things are going on, we have upped the game, and we are happy with the progress.
AKIARIA ari nyumba-ini ya Bomas hĩndĩ ya kurugurio kwa riboti ya kugacirithia honge na kambuni cia thirikari. KOSKEI oho ni oritie arũgamĩrĩri honge ici metheme na witangi na mathingate mawatho na mitaratara ĩrĩa gathĩkĩtwo ya mahũthĩro ma kĩgĩna kũringana na kĩgĩna kĩrĩa honge ici ciũnganagia.
President's strategic intent is to ensure that by the year 2027, Kenya has no budget deficit, and as such, the government, including state corporations, must live within its means, and as a golden rule, expenditure must never ever exceed revenues collected.
KOSKEI augite kugacira kwa honge ici niguo kugacirithia motungata macio kuri muingi na gucungirira gukura kwa utonga wa bururi. Hamwe na maundu maria mendekithitio ni kugathikwo kwa mitaratara ya guthima ukinyaniria wa motungata kuri muingi honge-ini ici na gutigirira aruti wira na arugamiriri acio ni makinyaniria ikiro iria magathikeirwo. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.